Hi. I am.
I'm Naomi.
Oh my goodness, you look so familiar. How long have you taught at the National Ski District?
How do you know I teach?
Your brother told me.
Oh. He gave me the check for you.
Okay. Yeah, he said something about water. He's down in Nantucket, he said, and then water came up, and he was kind of explaining it to me. So. Okay.
All right.
Let's take a peek first. I'm kind of glad it's raining, just in case it's
I
not
know.
the main. I was so happy it was raining.
Yeah, because he said check the water downstairs. So she should have lights. Oh, yeah, that's the light.
There's a...
Okay, so I see what they did, huh?
Yeah, they had... Oh, is that fresh water?
Where? Uh-oh. Yep,
It is. No, it's coming in through this door. I guarantee you it's not the main. You want to do me a favor. Go upstairs and run as much water as
All right,
you
this
can.
is the bath. Well, there should be lights here, right? The whole bathroom they took apart?
Yeah, they had to.
Seems like the light doesn't work. Whatever that light goes to. Okay, that's just the light switch.
Oh, so that's the camera?
So when that one's just for us, for liability
the
reasons. But when he came back, we had all that torrential rains, remember? All those torrential rains?
Yes, I remember.
Coming in through the door.
He's not going to be happy. Cause
Looks like it's been coming in for a while too. It looks like it's like rotting away slowly.
Do you have him? Is he on speed dial on your phone? Can we give him a call?
Yeah, I could
Because
show
I don't
him.
want to. I'm gonna be honest. I don't want to take that check from him.
Oh.
I know it's not coming from there.
Yeah. Because there's no water there?
There's no water there, and it's pouring in through the door.
Yeah. Let me,
I don't
FaceTime him. I could FaceTime him.
Yeah.
Hello. So
Are you FaceTiming me?
yes, we're with Shelly. Did you meet Shelly?
No, I've spoken to Shelly.
Hi, I'm Shelly. This is my daughter Lillian.
Hello.
So we're in the basement.
You're not going to be too happy. I don't want to take that check from you. I can almost 100% guarantee I'm happy I came when it was raining. It's coming in through your door.
Let me show you. I'll flip it, right?
Yeah, you can flip it.
Tap, yeah.
It's coming in through the door.
Son of a gun.
And it's soaked on the floor already.
So it's dry.
And it's dry in the bathroom.
This is bathroom.
I know. So is it through the door?
Yes.
It's right through this bottom corner here.
Can you see?
So it's
And
not
it looks
the
like
door,
in here.
It's the wood, right? It's the wood under the door?
And the
What
like
is that
concrete.
stuff there? Concrete?
Yeah, it looks like it's coming through the bottom of the door jamb.
Where my finger is?
Yeah.
It's all wet.
Yeah, so that's wood on top of the...
On top of the concrete, right.
What's that white stuff? Did somebody put
That's foam. It's like spray foam for insulation.
spray foam?
So it's wood on top of the foundation that it's leaking.
Exactly.
The door, whatever.
Yeah, the door jamb. That's where it's coming from.
See, and it's...
All right, so then we have to get that addressed.
Right, and I think when you came up, what day did you say you came
Oh,
up?
it was a little... Oh, I see where it's going
Yeah,
there.
it's going that way.
See, it's going into the...
What day did you say you came up? Because we had a lot of rains back then.
July 25th.
I'm in the bathroom now.
Right, but then it went from there...
July 22nd. That's when we had that week of rain.
Yeah.
Here's the cedar closet. This thing?
That was when like our whole week was just rain.
Should I check? Wait, is there a light here?
Should we lock that? Or?
In all rights, I couldn't take them money.
Yeah.
I couldn't. Like, my conscience just wouldn't let me do it.
Okay guys, we are all done with that. We figured out where the water was getting in from their basement, and turns out we didn't need to camera it. So, again, make sure you like, comment, share, and have a great rest of your day, and we will see you later. Bye!